Hey everybody, imagine this. You've got a killer idea for an application. Something just for you solving a problem you face every day. Now picture yourself building it with the power of GenAI and multi-agent systems. That's what this course is all about. Here we are starting from grounds up, no experience required at all, and we'll take you to the acme of this particular domain. Mastering the latest technology. The best part will guide you step by step to create your own custom application for your unique use case, whether it is for work or a passion project or just pure fun. And that's not all. You'll also build over 15 GenAI driven applications along the way, giving you a stack of real usable projects to show off. So if you are ready to go from zero to expert and walk away with a shiny new application, that's all yours. Let's do it. Sign up and let's start building something amazing together.